Welcome to Mint. I'm Cordelia Jenkins. The government has announced some surprising new data on inflation today, and here to discuss that data with us is Mint's Asit Ranjan Mishra. Thank you for joining us.
Welcome.
So first of all, Asit, can you just tell us what exactly the data has been announced today and what are the implications of this?
Yeah, so the industry department today announced the inflation data, the headline inflation data for October, which shows that inflation has come down to a 8-month low of 7.45%. So basically this is surprising because economists were expecting that the inflation will go up, inch up in October. What has contributed to this fall? It's mostly the softening food prices because of the good monsoon. So food prices are coming down, which was expected. So that has impacted. Then the manufacturing product items also, inflation is also coming down. So, and also the fuel inflation, which was expected actually to go up, has actually come down a little from its September high. So remember, in September the government increased the fuel prices, and it was expected that the second round impact will further increase fuel inflation in October, which hasn't actually happened. So basically it's a good sign.
And are we likely to continue to see this rate fall, or is this as low as it's going to go?
Yeah, that's a talk call actually, because the government has revised upward the August inflation data to 8% from 7.55%. So going ahead, it will obviously is also expected to revise upward the data of October numbers. So it's very difficult to say whether this trend will continue. Economists are actually expecting the November number to go up above the October number. But the RBI, as it has said in its monetary policy review last month, that it expects inflation to come down in the fourth quarter, which is January to March. So obviously we'll see some softening of inflation in the fourth quarter, not immediately.
Right. And the government has been asking for some time now for a rate cut. How likely do you think RBI is to make such a call on the basis of this new data?
Yeah, the RBI is going to for a mid-quarter policy review in December. But most economists say that they will not go for a rate cut in December. They will wait till January, as they have already said, indicated in fact in their policy review last month. So an immediate rate cut is not likely. Also, there is another point, which is the retail inflation, as shown by the consumer price index, which actually is going up. So there is a divergent trend between the wholesale and retail price inflations. So the RBI is expected to watch both very closely before taking a policy call.
So even with these lowering rates, we're not likely to see any kind of rate cut by the end of this year?
Not immediately.
Okay, well, thanks very much for those insights, Asit. And thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned for more.